As we inch closer to January 2026, the buzz around Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra is growing louder and more complicated. While fans are hoping for a true flagship leap, some early leaks suggest Samsung might be cooking up a surprise that's either brilliant or borderline frustrating. Let's rewind for a moment. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, while solid, didn't exactly shake the smartphone world. It felt more like a refined version of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which was already a powerhouse. So if you're in the market for a Galaxy flagship right now, you might be better off grabbing the S24 Ultra at a discount, or waiting for the S26 Ultra to, hopefully, deliver something truly next-gen. The big leak, Flex Magic Pixel display. Here's where things get interesting. A recent leak points to a new display technology called Flex Magic Pixel, developed by Samsung Display. At first glance, it sounds like another foldable gimmick, but it's not. This innovation is all about privacy. Flex Magic Pixel uses AI-powered OLED tech to limit your screen's viewing angles when sensitive apps are open. Think of it as a smart privacy filter built directly into the display. Unlike traditional screen protectors that dim or distort your screen, this tech promises to maintain full brightness and clarity, while keeping nosy strangers from peeking at your content. Whether you're checking your bank account in a crowded cafe or scrolling through personal photos on a flight, this feature could be a game changer. And if the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be the first Samsung phone to ship with this technology. Why this matters: privacy is becoming a bigger concern for smartphone users, and Samsung seems to be responding with a bold move. Flex Magic Pixel could give the S26 Ultra a real edge over competitors, especially in a world where digital security and discretion are more important than ever. But here's the catch. Will users have control over it? If this feature is always on, it could backfire. Imagine trying to show a photo or video to a friend, only to have the screen restrict visibility. Ideally, Samsung will include a toggle in the settings menu, allowing users to turn the feature on or off as needed. Without that flexibility, what's meant to be a privacy upgrade could feel like a usability downgrade. The stakes are high. Samsung has a lot riding on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. After a relatively quiet upgrade cycle with the S25 Ultra, fans are expecting something bold, fresh, and genuinely useful. Flex Magic Pixel could be that breakthrough, but only if it's implemented thoughtfully. If Samsung nails the execution, the S26 Ultra could redefine what a flagship phone should be in 2026. If not, it risks being remembered as the phone that tried too hard to be clever and forgot about the user experience.